Thinking about building your own gaming PC but not sure where to start? Whether you're a first-time builder or just looking to upgrade your rig, this is the ultimate guide you've been waiting for. In this video, we'll break down all the essential components, help you choose the right parts for your budget, and share pro tips to avoid common mistakes. By the end, you'll be ready to build a powerhouse that crushes games and doesn't break the bank. So grab your snacks, hit that like button, and let's dive in. Elevate your gaming experience with the VOYEE PS4 gaming headset, designed exclusively for PS4 gamers. This sleek white headset combines high-end performance with a futuristic aesthetic, featuring 50mm speakers for immersive surround sound and vibrant LED lighting that enhances your gameplay. Enjoy versatile connectivity with the 4-in-1 wireless options, including 2.4 GHz USB, Bluetooth, and wired connections, making it compatible with PC, PS5, PS4, and Switch. The noise-canceling microphone ensures clear communication during intense multiplayer sessions, while the protein leather ear pads with memory foam provide all-day comfort for extended gaming marathons. With an impressive 70 hours of playtime from the 1200 mAh battery and a quick charge feature that offers 2 hours of use after just 5 minutes of charging, this lightweight and foldable headset is perfect for gamers on the go. Upgrade your setup and dominate the competition with the VOYEE PS4 gaming headset. Experience immersive audio with the LENRUE USB speaker, delivering a powerful 5 watts of crystal-clear stereo sound that enhances your gaming, movie, and music experience. With a frequency response of up to 20 kHz, enjoy balanced bass and crisp audio that brings your entertainment to life. Designed for modern aesthetics, this space-saving soundbar fits perfectly under your monitor or laptop, while the dynamic colorful touch lighting adds a stylish flair to your setup. The touch-sensitive controls make it easy to turn the lights on or off, creating the perfect ambience for any occasion. Enjoy hassle-free connectivity with universal USB-powered compatibility, allowing you to connect seamlessly to PCs, laptops, and monitors using just one USB port, complete with a USB-C adapter. With plug-and-play simplicity, there's no need for drivers or software, just connect and enjoy high-quality sound instantly. Elevate your gaming experience with the Redragon S101 PKS wireless gaming keyboard and mouse combo, designed for ultimate performance and style. This sleek black set features a tri-mode connectivity option, wired, Bluetooth, or 2.4G receiver, ensuring a clutter-free setup and stable connection for uninterrupted gameplay. Immerse yourself in vibrant RGB lighting with 8 customizable backlight patterns, allowing you to adjust speed and brightness to match your gaming environment. The rechargeable keyboard boasts an impressive 300 hours of battery life RGB off, while the ergonomic design ensures comfort during long gaming sessions. The 4800 dpi adjustable gaming mouse offers 5 sensitivity levels, perfect for precision control, and the fully functional keyboard includes 10 independent multimedia keys for quick access to your favorite features. With programmable keys and customizable backlighting, this combo is tailored to meet all your gaming needs. Compatible with Windows, PCs, and laptops, the Redragon S101 PKS is a plug-and-play solution that guarantees satisfaction, backed by a 36-month warranty. Upgrade your setup today and dominate the competition with style and efficiency. Experience unparalleled performance with the BOSGAME P4 Mini PC, powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 5700U processor and integrated Radeon graphics. With 8 cores and a boost speed of up to 4.3 GHz, this compact powerhouse is perfect for everyday use, education, and gaming, effortlessly handling software like Photoshop and gaming titles such as PUBG and LOL. Equipped with 32 GB of DDR4 RAM and a lightning-fast 1TB PCIe 3.0x4 SSD, the P4 ensures smooth multitasking and ample storage for all your files, including AI training data. Its triple display support at 4K at 60 Hz allows for enhanced productivity, making it ideal for design work and media streaming. Stay connected with dual 2.5 GBE LAN ports and the latest Wi-Fi 6E technology, ensuring fast and reliable internet access. The BOSGAME P4 Mini PC is compatible with various operating systems, including Windows 11, making it a versatile choice for any user looking to elevate their computing experience. Experience gaming like never before with our cool Lightning Bolt-style controller for Nintendo Switch. Featuring a powerful 1000 mAh battery, enjoy uninterrupted gameplay for up to 15 hours on a single charge, fully recharged in just 3 to 4 hours. The controller boasts a stunning lightning pattern with 9 vibrant colors and 4 adjustable LED modes, creating an electrifying atmosphere for your gaming sessions. Compatible with multiple platforms including Switch, iOS, Android, and PC, it offers easy one-key pairing and wake-up functionality. Enhance your skills with programmable keys and a turbo function that delivers up to 25 shots per second, while the 6-axis gyro sensor and 4-speed vibration immerse you deeper into the action. Perfect as a gift for gamers of all ages, this controller comes beautifully packaged with everything you need to elevate your gaming experience. That's it for today's build guide. If this helped, like, subscribe, and drop your questions below. I've got your back. Catch you in the next one. Game on.